time for education to change. Designing a natural system for education. The first thing we want to look at is why learners need to learn. I have identified 6 purposes for learning from the learner's perspective. 1. Life. The learners need to be able to take care of themselves and their families. 2. Career. Learners need to make a living and financially support themselves and their families. 3. Social. Learners need to get along and communicate with others. 4. Cultural. Learners need to understand the culture in which they live and any cultures in which they interact with. 5. Emotional. Learners need to understand and control their own emotions as well as the effect their actions have on other people's emotions. 6. Fun. Learners have interests and hobbies that do not fit into any of the other categories but still enrich their lives. These 6 reasons for learning become our 6 pillars of education. Everything in the learner's curriculum must fall into one of these 6 pillars. Pillar 1. Life skills. Pillar 2. Career skills. Pillar 3. Social skills. Pillar 4. Cultural skills. Pillar 5. Emotional skills. Pillar 6. Fun skills. The next thing we're going to look at is learning levels. Our learning levels are based off of spiral dynamics levels of development. Adopting this well-researched model of psychological development will help us develop a learning structure that's more naturally matched to natural learning. The first level is beige, basic survival within a school of thought. Learners use intuition and unrelated knowledge to navigate an unknown terrain. The second level is purple. Introduction to the school of thought through storytelling and community. This level should be focused on getting to know the school of thought and being part of the community. Level 3, red, exploring on one's own terms. Learners should be focused on their own wants and feelings. The fourth level, blue, learning current methodologies, best practices, and knowledge base within the school of thought. Learners need to be focused on the correct way of doing things according to the school of thought and graded on their accuracy. The fifth level, orange, improving methodologies, best practices, and adding to the knowledge base or combining other schools of thought. Learners are focused on finding success. The sixth level, green, building and maintaining community, making sure everyone is included and welcome. The learners are focused on other people's feelings and making sure their needs and wants are met. Level 8, yellow, understanding how the previous 6 levels work together. Learners are focused on understanding the system. Level 8, turquoise, building and maintaining the system. Building and maintaining a system that allows for easy movement between the 7 levels of learning. Learners are focused on the health of the system. Whether officially or unofficially, schools today play more of a role in students' life than just education. We will need to understand these roles and find ways to replace them in our new system, as well as meeting needs that are not currently met. And finally, we will look at the technological landscape and educational research that is being conducted today.